Hi, I'm Miss Tara from Fox Valley Flourish Twirling Club, and we're going to be working on level 3 basic tosses. So the good news is most of these tosses you already learned in level 2. We're just taking it up a notch and having you do more of what you already know. So if you're still in level 2, work on it as if you're in level 3 and challenge yourself. Our first one is our thumb flip. Everybody should know a thumb flip. Everyone should know continuous thumb flips. These are nice and slow right now, but that's okay. I want them to keep moving. In level 2, the goal is to be able to do 10 in a row without it stopping and without dropping. In level 3, it's the exact same thing, except it's 25 in a row without dropping and without stopping. So you're going to still work on the same things you did in level 1. You're going to keep that elbow in. Every time you catch, you're going to go right into the next throw. It's still going around that thumb every single time. And you can still play some of those same games with yourself. Try 1, catch it, 2, caught it, okay, 3, now 4, 2, 3, 4, and keep going, keep adding one more on for as many as you can catch. If you can catch 25 that way, that's great. You've already completed your level 3. Now we have to be able to do it in both hands. So the exact same thing in the left hand, those continuous thumb flips, they keep moving. That elbow is in. You're standing nice and tall. The free hand's on your hip. Your feet stay in place. You're not walking around having to chase that baton. And as soon as you catch, you're going right into that next throw. Other things you can do is have someone time you. See how many thumb flips you can do in 1 minute. It should be way more than 25, at least 50. That's less than 1 per second. So you should be able to get to 50 pretty easily. The goal is eventually 100. Start with the goal of 50 and go from there. See how many you can do in a row. Try 10 and see how many you catch and how many you drop. For level 3, try 25 and see how many do I catch and how many do I drop. Our next skill is backhand flips, which you also already know. Continuous, just like our thumb flips, that catch leads right into the next toss. The baton keeps moving, our feet are still, our free hand's on our hip, we're standing tall. And again, it's going to be 25 in a row in that left hand. So we've got our thumb flips in the right, thumb flips in the left, backhand flips in the right, all 25. You also already know your 4-count aerial. In level 2, you just had to be able to do 1. In level 3, you need to be able to do 10 aerials in a row. So the same kind of thing for practicing as what you do with your thumb flips. Do 10 aerials. How many do you catch? How many do you drop? Try to do 1 aerial. Okay, I caught it. Now I'm going to do 2. 1, 2. Okay, now I'm going to try for 3. And if you drop it, start over at 1 again. See how high you can get that count. Our last trick, this one is new. You know your backhand flip and you know your aerial. This is a backhand flip aerial. So it's the same as our backhand flip. The only difference is we're going to start pushing it up higher. And like our aerials, this one should also be 4 counts. So you're going to use that same fingers up, push, and you're going to snap it up for that aerial. You're just going to push harder. Instead of low, you're going to go a little higher, and each time if you push just a little more, it's going to go a little higher each time. When I'm testing these, I don't care if you catch in your left hand, palm up, or if you catch it in your right hand. Whichever you do, the free hands need to be on the hip. So you can either stay right here, aerial catch, or you can switch. But you're still standing tall, the feet don't move, the hands are on the hips. Practice all these different kinds of throws and all kinds of different combinations so you can get them continuous and consistent, meaning that you don't drop it in between. You're catching almost every single one. If you do 100, you should be able to catch 99 of them. Give it a try, see how it goes. Good luck.